Well, I woke up this morning and wondered what to eat. Opened the fridge, there were eggs and some meat. Fried it all together and I started to eat. But something was missing, oh what could it be? Kua Txob, Kua Txob. Where are you, my Kua Txob? Kua Txob, Kua Txob. I miss you, my Kua Txob, Kua Txob. Well, I went to the Hmong store and wondered what to buy. I got some Hmong sausage and said thanks to the guy. Brought it all home and I started to eat. But something was missing, oh how could they forget the one thing I need? Oh, where could it be? Kua Txob, Kua Txob. Where are you, my Kua Txob? Kua Txob, Kua Txob. I miss you, my Kua Txob, Kua Txob. Grandma came over and she brought some Hmong chicken. Oh, please tell me, Grandma, that the Kua Txob's not missing. I asked my grandma if she had the one thing I need. She said that she had some, so I looked to my left, and there it was, the one thing I longed for all week. Kua Txob, Kua Txob. I found you, my Kua Txob, Kua Txob, Kua Txob. I heart you, my Kua Txob, Kua Txob, Kua Txob. Where have you been all my life? Kua Txob, Kua Txob, Kua Txob, Kua Txob, Kua Txob.